Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to go incognito mode on Safari. So first you need to go settings, then scroll down. Here you can see screen time. Tap on screen time, scroll down and tap on content and privacy. Now as you can see here, app, store, media, web and games. Tap on this option. Now as you can see here, web content. Tap on web content. Now select the unrestricted option. Now go back and tap on Safari. Tap on the right bottom corner and tap on the three lines. Now as you can see here, the private option has appeared to browse privately. So that's how you can go incognito mode on Safari iPhone. That's it about the video. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.